In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore Snapchat Streak for free. Now, there's multiple ways that you can approach this. The first thing that I recommend that you guys do is check for the free restore option. So, free Snapchat accounts typically get one free restore, and you'll always want to go ahead and check to see if you can use it. So, go to the chat with the friend that you lost a streak with. Then look for a restore button next to the chat. It may appear as a fire emoji. If available, please go ahead and tap on restore and then follow the prompts to recover the streak. So again, free accounts typically get one free restore, while Snapchat Plus users may have up to 5 depending on availability. But if you guys don't see the restore option, in that instance, we need to contact Snapchat customer support and we need to explain to them the situation. And you basically just want to explain to them that it was a huge accident and stuff like that. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on the settings icon just like so. Then scroll all the way down until you see this option that does say support and feedback. Then go ahead and select on help center. Once you're over here, there's a bunch of articles that you guys can go ahead and take a look at. So you can go ahead and take a look at the I lost my streak article right over here and take a look at that. But basically what you guys want to do is talk to a Snapchat customer representative, and then they're going to walk you through the entire process. Remember to always be concise and respectful when talking to them. And I always suggest bringing up the fact that it was an accident, bring up that it was an app glitch or something like that. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.